Creating a logo in Illustrator can be a creative and rewarding process. Begin by brainstorming ideas and concepts that represent your brand. Sketch rough drafts to visualize the design. Consider colors, typography, and imagery. Use Illustrator to create a vector version of your logo. Pay attention to scalability, balance, and simplicity. Experiment with shapes, text, and colors to refine your design. Logo designing becomes very easy with the help of Line Segment Tool and Shape Builder Tool. Give full time to your work so that the best thing comes out. If you like my work, then go and watch my other videos on my YouTube channel. I have made many videos for you. Using a logo mockup adds to the beauty of your work. Thanks for watching.